On this video, I am looking at team insights in the statistics section of Lifecycle. So I've gone to statistics and I've chosen team insights. This is just for demo account, so hopefully over time your account will make more sense than this one does. But I just want to point out to you what you're actually looking at on this page. So at the top of the page here, we've got a filter where we can look at this on a branch level, all branches or a singular branch, transactional type. So is it sales or is it lettings? And are we looking at all users or are we looking at a very specific user? Once we've selected that, we can then see how many holiday days have been taken by either the branch or the specific user. We can look at how many sick days have been taken. Over here, you'll start to see a pie chart emerge whereby we can see the number of leads that have come in and how many have been actioned and how many have not been actioned, either by user or by branch. Down the bottom here, this is really quite interesting. So this is our average fee from getting instructed. So you've been around to a property and they've said they want to go ahead with you and they've signed the paperwork, and so that's your average fee. But this is the average fee of properties that have exchanged with us. So if the two are different, then it will tell us that either we're selling all of the stuff whereby people pay us good fees and not selling all of the stuff where people are paying us low fees, or we're selling all of the stuff with low fees and not selling any of the stuff with really high fees. So one way or the other, if your fees look like they're really high, but then and when it comes to exchange they're really low, you can plan your cash flow better. Or if your fees look like they're quite low, but when it comes to exchange they're quite high, you can stop taking all of the cheap stuff on the market and concentrate on people that pay decent fees. Down the bottom here, we are looking at someone's conversion rate, as people traditionally talk about it, from market appraisal to instruction, versus their conversion rate from instruction to actually exchanging. So this particular conversion rate shows us that although the person's only got a 33% listing conversion rate, we sell half the stuff that they take on the market. Maybe there might be someone else in the company who's got a super high listing conversion rate, but we sell only 10% of everything they take on, in which case they're probably just overvaluing everything to get it on the market, but we never actually sell it. Someone may have a very low conversion rate and their exchange conversion rate might be really high, in which case they're probably making us more money than the guy who's got the really high listing conversion rate. Hopefully that all makes sense. It's all designed just to give you a little bit more insight into what's actually going on inside the company. That is Team Insights.